Hello friends, thanks for tuning in. I'm Big Matt. In my last video I'd mentioned that I was getting some static and distortion on the left channel coming from my Pioneer rack system. I'd guesstimated that it would take a week or so to get that issue cleared up and bring the system back online. Fortunately, the first component that I removed from that system to check, it's called a Pioneer RG2. It's a dynamic range processor. That processor was the actual culprit, that the unit that was causing all the distortion. It had just scratchy controls, and once I cleaned those up and put it back in the system, the unit is playing great again, static free, no distortion. And I'm going to demonstrate why I rely on this system so much. Yeah, the blue lights look cool, but they are very functional when you get old like me and your vision isn't as good as it should be. I rely on those meters to show me when my equipment is reading 0 dB, and I'll pull this. Let's see if we get this guy going. This insert is that's my test set that I use, and it generates a tone. I normally calibrate it for right at 0 dB, and I have the VU meters with the line inputs on the Pioneer RT909 on the top set to be at 0 dB when this unit is putting out a 0 dB signal. So right now I'm going to boost the signal up on from the test set, and you'll see the meters go up and up, and also the meter on the test set go up. And so that's the 0 dB setting. And I can take one look at the Pioneer and see that they're both in reading 0 dB. I'm going to turn it down a little bit. But another thing I can monitor is the spectrum analyzer that's 2 units down below the RT909, just beneath that flashing clock that I never reset. It measures the frequency as I go up and down the scale. I'm going to start off on a very low frequency, let's see, about 30 hertz. Okay, you can see that the spectrum analyzer is indicating that we're at a low frequency because it's on the far left side of the scale. As I go up through the frequencies, a different section of the spectrum analyzer is illuminated. And if I change the frequency, it continues to go up the scale. And get up into the higher range to the point it becomes pretty much inaudible. But we see the signal is there. So that's one of the big benefits for me when I'm using this system. Another reason I like it is I just like to see the lights flash, and I'm going to demonstrate that by recording a song from my PC. It's going to change out cables from the spectrum analyzer to my desktop. Get rid of this guy. And now I'm just going to begin recording a song from my PC. glad to have the Pioneer rack system back in action. I'm Big Matt, and we'll see you guys next time.